Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a cabin filter. I have a 2018 Mazda CX-5. I went ahead and bought this brand Spearhead Breathe Easy cabin filter. I could have went with the Fram, but I went with this model. It's the model BE811 Spearhead, and the Fram would be the CF11811. So here it goes. So let's go ahead and install it. First, what you want to do is open up your glove compartment, and with that little plastic on the right side, it's like a little hydraulic plastic hinge. You want to move it to the right. Unclick it from that piece, and next you want to go ahead and squeeze the top part of your glove compartment until it loosens up, and then you want to unhinge it and drop it down. And next, you're going to be taking the filter with this little white clip. You want to go ahead and pull it out. And once you get that out, check out your filter. Mine looks like it needs a replacement for sure. I think it's been 8 months and I should have replaced it every 4 months. So it's really neat. And check it out, it's pretty filthy. So now let's go ahead and take out the new filter. As you can see, it's a little different, black frame, and the filter has this little shading of gray, but it fits. It's the model that says it will fit, the BE811 Spearhead, and the size wise it matches up, and that's what I went with. So now we're gonna place it back, and what you want to do is align it to where the original was, and make sure that that clip on the bottom is on the bottom. So you want to go ahead and try to slide it. It'll be a little tight, but because it's new, and you want to make sure that that clip is clicked in, and on the sides make sure you push into it so that it sets. Next, you want to put back your glove compartment. Those two little bars, you want to go ahead and attach the bottom part of your glove compartment and go ahead and lift it, and just make sure nothing falls out. And let's go ahead and place it back on the top of the glove compartment. You want to squeeze those two ends again to put it back, and now on that little hydraulic plastic piece on the side, you want to go ahead and align it and push it to your left. Once you push it in, make sure it clicks, and go ahead and try it out and make sure it closes. So let's just go ahead and throw away the old one, and pretty much you're done. You save some money from the dealer replacing it for you, and it just took you less than 5 minutes. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for watching.